My name is Vaidehi Thikekar. He is my son, Samarth Thikekar. He is 8-year-old. So basically, last week on 4th July, Monday, in the evening, my son got some rashes on his face. So we thought maybe just like a small mosquito bite or something. So to treat him, I've given him like a normal allergy medicine, Ocacid. So to which he got relief. Okay, so we thought, okay, fine, he's fine now. The next day morning on 5th July when he got up, so he was having rashes, red patches all over his body, on his face, on his hand, legs, everywhere. And he was having that itchy feeling. So immediately we took him to our local pediatrician and he started with his treatment. So basically we reside at Thane West and his pediatric is also very good. He started with the treatment. So due to which his rashes were reduced on 5th. But somewhere again on 6th the rashes have come back. So again we took him to the doctor. Again he started with his antibiotics. So after the antibiotics course started for 2-3 days, the rashes were coming and going. He was getting that itchy feeling, but he also started getting fever of around 100 degree, 101 degree. So at that point of time his pediatrician told me we cannot give him too many antibiotics orally also. And now since he started getting the fever of 102 degree and all, it's better we get him hospitalized and start to giving antibiotics to IV. So on Saturday we have got him hospitalized in Thane, in one of the hospitals there, and we started with his treatment. He's a very active child. In fact, I can say till the time he was not hospitalized, he was very active but once he got hospitalized, they started with the treatment, they started doing blood tests and everything. But maybe due to the antibiotic, he started getting motions and all, due to which he got very weak. Like he was like, "Mommy, I'm constantly getting pain in my stomach. I'm not able," like his feet were also swollen. "I'm not able to walk or stand." And as a mother, I was really feeling very helpless. Like I was telling doctor, his itchiness is also not reducing. We are applying lotions and all, but still the itchiness was not reducing. So doctor was like, we cannot, at his age, we cannot give him too much of medicines also right now. So this will be there for next 4-5 days. So you need to have patience and bear with it. But believe me, as a mother, it's very difficult when your child tell you continuously, "I'm getting pain, mommy, please do something" and all. So I have my family doctor basically in Dadar, whom we consult every time for everything. So her name is Dr. Sateja Nervekar. I mean, she's a gem of a person because every time, anytime I need any medical emergency help, she is just a call when she always assists us. So I explained her the entire scenario. Doctor, past 1 week, Samarth was going through all this and we got him hospitalized. He started with the medications and all, but there is no improvement, and hence doctor, I mean, all the doctors are good and God for us, but still I would prefer if you can recommend me something and I can start with that doctor treatment. So she told me, "Madhuri, it's a Sunday, today is Sunday, maybe not lot of doctors are available also, so you please have patience. There already a treatment is going on, you continue with that. Tomorrow if you want, I can suggest, I can see where the beds are available and all, I can help you out." But my doctor also know me very well. I'm very adamant. I was like, "No doctor, you please go all the way out and please get me out from here." So that's how Dr. Sateja consulted Dr. Vaidehi Dande. She's a pediatrician in Dadar, and I think she spoke to her over the phone. Then doctor called me up saying that there is a bed available in Symbiosis Hospital in Dadar. So if you want, you can shift Samarth there. And Dr. Vaidehi is there. She will treat him. So while taking discharge from Thane Hospital to Dadar, my son was having fever also, and he was having itchy, rash, everything. The doctor, they were not ready to discharge him because they're like, "You're risking your child." But as a mother, I was seeing him how helpless I was. So I was like, "Fine, I'm taking him discharge at my own risk." And I immediately, by the time the transit happened in the evening, I brought him here. And here, once I got into a Symbiosis Hospital, everything was, because they didn't stuck me anywhere. We'll get the paper formalities done, this, that. Immediately, we have just come directly at the 9th floor. His room was ready. The doctor just started with their treatment, or they consulted Dr. Vaidhi about his current situation, his BP and everything. And Sunday, in spite of being out, I can say, I've never met Dr. Vaidhi earlier. At 11:30 in the night, she have come to see my kid. What is the actual condition? Then she explained me, she started with the medication. Due to that medication, his itchiness and all reduced. So of course he was having a sleepless night, he was having fever that night also, but still he was okay. So like this, the 2 days the treatment were on, we have done various tests and everything, and luckily now, almost like from Saturday, Sunday, today's what, Thursday. Now since yesterday he's feeling much better. Like he's back to activeness. He's having no fever. Yet doctor has not stopped there. Under all the like pros and cons, because in that one of the tests they have come to know he got COVID in the past also. So they were just trying if some post-COVID symptoms are there or not. So in fact we consulted dermatologist, we consulted the cardiac pediatrician also. So Dr. Vaidhi, I can say no words, but as a mother, it's very difficult to handle moms. I mean, I'm very practical in life, very strong. But when it comes to my kid, I really go down on my knee. I don't know anything. And in this past 4 days, Dr. Vaidehi, and in fact, I know her spouse also, Dr. Ankur, because Dr. Ankur has also, in fact, October 21 only, he have treated my husband for pulmonary issue, where even my husband got immediately like admitted with a 150 blood pressure at that time, and he treated him well. So I think doctor are a boon to us, but there are different ways of doctor, because the way you handle it's not only about the patient, it's about the family member, not especially when it comes to a kid and a mother relation, nothing. So in fact we have a lot of questions, but I'm really thankful to Dr. Vaidehi Dande, her spouse Dr. Ankur, also especially our family doctor Satyajan Nervekar, because she referred us to such a wonderful, fantastic doctors who, I mean, it's not about the money game and all, but to really go out of the way to ensure the treatment is given properly. The main cause is find it out. In fact, today he is feeling better. There is no fever. She could have easily given him a discharge today also, but still she was like, no, hang on, we'll do is 1 or 2 more tests also, so that we are sure that there is no lapse in his treatment. And also I would like to thank you the entire Symbiosis Hospital staff specially, because all these 4-5 days we are here, especially a kid in the hospital, he gets cranky, he gets finicky, he will not allow you to pause the needle. In each and every staff member, right from anyone, for cleanliness, the hospital is very clean, the staff is very polite, the doctors are too good, it's just a call away they are anytime. So thank you so much everyone. I really have no words to give a second life to my husband as well, and somewhere to get that more good thing in my son also. So thank you very much everyone.